Self-cleaning and emptying Roidmi vacuum. The breakthrough design of Roidmi EVA is the combination of a dust collection base and an automatic mop cleaning module in one. Roidmi EVA comes with a mop self-cleaning system. It auto-detects mop's dirtiness periodically and returns to the base for fast cleaning. It sprays the dirty mops with clean water by a built-in pump and the mop's speedy spin to scrape against a washboard to remove captured dirt, which then passes through the absorption system before being stored as wastewater. After that, vortex strong wind will be blowing out to fast dry the mops automatically to prevent germs, bacteria, mildew and odor. Then, returns to the spot it left off to resume its floor cleaning duties once the self-cleaning process is done. The extra large dust bag is big enough to collect dust for 60 days. The 4L large capacity water tank separates clean water from dirty water. The self-cleaning feature on Roidmi EVA can wash the mop automatically to keep it sanitary, before returning to the spot it left off to continue mopping and vacuuming. Also, the soft wind feature helps to quick dry the mop to prevent mildew and odor. 2 in 1 vacuum and mop. Roidmi EVA Wet and Dry Automatic Robotic Vacuum give you 2 ways to clean in one revolutionary robot. Support 3 modes: vacuuming and mopping mode, vacuuming mode, mopping mode. Multiple cleaning modes satisfy your different cleaning needs and handle different situations. 3,200 pascals high suction superpower leaves no residual dust. The 4-inch high-speed large mops cover the large floor perfectly without missing any corner. Moreover, the 12N pressurized large mops help to remove stubborn spots and stains from the floors in an instant. Roidmi EVA self-cleaning and emptying, mopping and vacuuming 2 in 1, 12N pressurized mopping, super 3,200 pascals suction.
We hope that you will enjoy with us this new technology, which has just entered the market. And do not forget that all links are in the description, whether buying sites or manufacturers. We will also be glad if you like the video to put a like and subscribe to the channel. Enjoy watching.